Well, as we embarked on our expansion, we grew our campus to 200 acres. It's over a mile to walk from one end to the other, and anytime you've seen that with a big crowded show, it can be more than a half an hour from one side of that show to the other. So we needed a way to move people back and forth that was easy, it was fun, and was a way for them to experience everything that show has to offer. It is certainly a one and only experience, the only place in the world right now that has a commercial application for a loop system is here at the Las Vegas Convention Center. And it's fun. People love Tesla. People love the idea of an entertainment experience, frankly, in moving back and forth across this campus. You can see how spectacular this underground station is. It's a quick experience, but it's also an artistic and fun one as well. Many of our visitors land here at the airport. They have to then leave the airport and go to the hotel. That can take some time. You know, it can be a 20, 30, 40-minute experience. The Boring Company system, for example, can get you from the airport to downtown in about 10 minutes. It'll be less expensive than a number of different options and certainly much quicker. But really, overall, once we get it throughout the resort corridor, it just offers an opportunity for our visitors to have more time to experience everything that Las Vegas has to offer in the time that they have here. They're going to spend virtually no time in traffic and be able to get from a great event to a great dinner to potentially a nightclub, experience all of that in a much easier and quicker way. The first major phase will be in the resort corridor. So we expect it to go from the downtown area down both sides of the strip to the convention center, to the stadium, to all the properties along the way, and ultimately connect to McCarran Airport.